Today, we use pipe mode to stimulate seeded drainage pipes. Demonstrate the CIPP UV rehabilitation technology. Step 1. Put the gliding foil into the pipe. After the stacking of liner is completed, pack one end and put the liner into the pipe. Ensure both ends are covered by the jeans cap and prepare the light drain foil. Seal two ends with the packers and fix and tie the two ends by packers with the liner and jeans cap together. Step 2. Once the liner has been positioned and inflated with compressed air, the UV light system is inserted into the liner through light drain foil, and the liner ends are sealed with the packers. In the liner, the working pressure is increased to design pressure, and the UV light system is put to the other end of the liner. Ensure the liner is smooth and tightly fit to the pipe. Step 3. In the inflation process, cut a 2 to 3 cm observation position at both ends. It can be used for excreting excess gas and observe the inner liner. Step 4. Set up the UV system. Turn on the UV lights, and the light train is retracted back through the liner at the proper curing speed.